Wow. Boy, that's a lot of views. Wow, 10 million. No, this can't be right. What? This person made how much from 10 million views?
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how much money this YouTuber made from 10 million views. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now let me talk to my small YouTubers out there. Are you guys struggling to get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel? Well, today's your lucky day. All you gotta do is click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. This same tool has helped my channel grow from 20 subscribers all the way to 350 subscribers within a month and a half. And it can happen to your channel too. So just go ahead and click on that link. Again, it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Also, please check out my free giveaways in the description below. These free giveaways will help you in your journey into making money online. And lastly, check out the link that says my #1 method to becoming your own boss and making money on autopilot. Click on that link below and this will help you to become your own boss and start making money on autopilot month after month. All right. Now, before I tell you how much revenue this person made from 10 million views, I just want to say that this YouTuber is not PewDiePie, where they're just making funny memes and whatnot. And this person is not Mr. Beast that makes challenger videos or prank videos, things of that nature. So you're going to be very surprised what type of YouTuber this is that got 10 million views. And you're going to be very surprised how much money they made. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the person that made this amount of money with 10 million views. Let's get it. All right, I'm on YouTube and I'm at this YouTuber. His name is Graham Stephan. He's the one that had 10 million views in 30 days. And he's going to tell you how much he made in 30 days. He's not a prankster. He doesn't make funny videos. He doesn't make challenging videos where people are challenging to do things. So I'm going to play this video a little bit and you're going to find out who he is and how much he made.
You can see during that time frame, we did almost 69 million minutes of watch time, which is mind-blowing. I can't believe it. Almost 10.3 million views in a single month, which is just I'm lost for words. Don't even know what to say on that. But here's the point. You guys want to figure out how much this equates to in terms of ad revenue, and here we go. Over $103,000 in 30 days. And just...
Hold up. $103,000 in 30 days for 10 million views. And what this guy does, he talks about how to invest your money in real estate because he's a real estate agent. So that is something else. So with the type of videos he make as far as making money online, his revenue for ads where the CPM
that he gets for his ads that are on his channel are way much higher than somebody like Mr. Beast or PewDiePie or FaZe Rug, or those type of big time YouTubers, even Ace Family. So he made $103,000 from 10 million views in 30 days. So, I just want to tell you who this person was. You can check out his channel. It's Graham Stephan. You check out his channel, go. He has a lot of good information. So let's just play a little bit more of it so you can understand how he made that amount.
So you guys know I'm not photoshopping or any of this stuff is fake. If I click refresh up here, you'll be able to see that I'm not lying about any of this. I have no reason to lie about this stuff. So here you go. Over $103,000 in 30 days just off YouTube ad revenue.
All right. So now you know who this person is and how much they made from 10 million views. So I just wanted to show this to you, maybe to motivate you, and you can understand how much money you can make if you're in this niche.
So now you know the YouTuber that had 10 million views and how much that YouTuber made. Now I hope this was a good motivation video for you to get out there and grind with whatever you're doing. So if you are a YouTuber, I hope this will help you know that you need to have good content and be consistent, and you don't have to do prank videos or funny videos to get 10 million views. Also, if you are a person that's making apps, all you have to do is piggyback on a trending app and add a twist to it, make the app better, make it different, and you will get a lot of downloads with your app. And lastly, if you have a digital product, all you have to do is promote it and market it the best way you can, learn from others, and don't quit. All right, that's all I have for this video. Now for you guys that watched it all the way to this point, I have a proposition to give you guys. Now, if you can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment and reward the first person with $20 cold hard cash via PayPal or an Amazon gift card. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So all you have to do is just leave that comment down below. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and Reddit. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now, I'm done. That's it. It's a wrap. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here, watch my most recent video right here. After I tell you this, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my video. Peace.